Okay, so I was just throwing out the rubbish this evening and I heard a scuffling noise and I found this little baby bird, that's about to be eaten by this little cat. You're a bad kitty. You're a bad kitty. So I can't leave it here because it would be eaten or attacked. So I have no choice but to keep it in my apartment for a few days. I don't know if it has been injured. Hey baby. Hi baby. Yeah, okay. I'll take you back home, alright? Yeah? Oh well, it's an evening full of surprises. Just throwing out the trash and I come across, hello baby bird. Hi baby bird. Yeah, baby bird. Yeah. No, it's Sammy. No, Sammy, I can't leave the bird here. You gotta kill it. You gonna kill the bird. No, Sammy. No, I'm gonna take it back home. Yeah, it's not your toy. This bird is not your toy, okay? Go home. Oh boy. Oh baby. Oh baby. Hey baby. So now I have put some leaves into the little box and hopefully the baby feels more comfortable with leaves and it feels warmer tonight. Yeah? Alright, you can sleep here. Would you like some food before you go to bed? Huh? Yeah? You want some food? I can't feed you worms. What can I feed you? What can I feed you? What you want, baby? Huh? That's alright. You'll be okay. Sleep tight, baby. Sleep tight. Good night. Oh, hi, baby bird. Looks like he wants to get out of his box. Yeah? You want to get out? Yeah? Are you ready to fly, baby bird? Did you want to fly? Huh? Yeah? Where's your mommy? I can't leave you outside because the cats are gonna get you. Huh? Where you wanna go? Where you wanna go, baby bird? Huh? You wanna go back to your mommy, huh? Okay, but I can't leave you outside and I don't know where your home is. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! They tried to fly to me. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, baby bird, I think it's time you get back into your box, okay? Huh? Let's fly around. Oh, you'll be safe here. Okay, you can fly around, honey. Huh? Yeah? Are you hurt? So I put some bird sounds and this gets the baby bird really excited. So it's jumped out of the box and it started running around looking for its bird friends. Hey! Hi, where are your bird friends? Oh, did you find your bird friends? Yeah, where's your bird friends? You hear it? The baby bird gets really excited when he hears bird sounds, huh? Hi, baby bird, you wanna have a... Come on, baby bird. Come on, baby bird. Yeah. You got all your friends. You hear your friends? So where are you? Where are you, baby? Oh, hi there. Careful, that's the electric socket. Careful there. Careful, baby. You're standing on the... Alright, baby. Careful you don't hurt yourself, okay, baby? Huh? Don't hurt yourself, baby. Quiet now. Should I turn on the bird sounds? Huh? Should I turn on the bird sounds for you? Now you can feel at home. The family's here, huh? Yeah. You hear the bird sounds? Yeah. It's reacting to the bird sounds. Look. Alright, baby. Be careful. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Oh. Come here, baby. It's looking for the birds. It's alright, baby. I want to turn off the bird sounds, okay? Alright. It's now been an hour since I found the baby bird, and it's sort of made itself comfortable with my fingers. And it's the only time where it wouldn't screech and try to run away from the box. And it wouldn't go into the box. And I'm getting tired of holding it on my finger. I need to sleep soon. It's getting late. I don't know what to do with the baby bird. Because it wants to stay on my finger. Huh? You want to go back into your box, baby? Baby? Baby, you want to go back to your box, baby? Huh? You'll be safe here for tonight, okay? You can stay here for tonight. Tomorrow I'll bring you back to the garden. You don't seem to be hurt, but you can't fly. You don't seem to be able to fly, baby bird. Okay, you'll be alright. Just stay in your box, okay? Okay, baby bird? Okay? Yeah? You quiet now? You'll be fine. There's no cats here. Cats are all outside. Okay, baby bird? Alright, go back to your box. Go back to your box. Please, get off my finger. Get off my finger. Go back to your box, baby bird. Go back to your box. Let go of my finger. It will not go. Please let go of my finger. I have to sleep soon. I'm tired. Yes, you can bite me all you want. Yes, baby bird. I'll bring you back tomorrow to the garden, okay? Alright? Tonight you'll stay here and you're safe from the cats. Okay, baby bird? Okay. Oh no, it's gone back to my hand. Just don't shit on my hand, okay? What did you just say? Did you say something? Come on, huh? You'll be okay. What should I name you? Maybe I'll just name you Pecker. Hey, Pecker. You're a pecker. Come on, get back to your box. Yeah. Okay. You want some carrots? Would you like some carrots? Huh? Huh? You want carrots? No? Yeah? Yeah. You don't want carrots, huh? No. Please, baby bird, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. Just go back to your little boxy. Come on. Oh no, it's going up my arm. Little baby bird, go up to your boxy, please. You can't stay on my arm the whole night. I have to go to bed. Oh no. Oh no. What do I do? Oh, baby bird. Go back to your boxy, okay? Try to get some sleep tonight so you got some food. Huh? Please, baby bird. Okay, I'm gonna get you a little wooden stick to stand on, okay?